Hey guys! Welcome to my channel, those who are new. My name is Amanda, also known as Amateur Aries, and today we're doing a light smoky eye with a red lip. So I figured I haven't done a red lip in a long time. I figured I'd add a red lip to this. If it looks like a little uneven, because red's not my favorite color on the lips. This is also a collab with Erin's X World. She also has some issues like me. For those who are new, I am schizophrenic with borderline personality disorder. She has postpartum depression and anxiety and a chronic illness, which I'm going to butcher the name of because I wrote down to try to pronounce it. Hydrodenitis suppurativa. But she is a fighter. She is quite a fighter to go through all of that. And girl, she does vlogs. She's a wife and a mother of beautiful children. So if you want to go check her out, she is listed down below. So I hope you guys go check her out. She's pretty amazing. And so let's get into this look. This is also a review, but I'm doing a voiceover, so the review will be me voiceovering it. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you like this tutorial. Hey guys, sorry if the lighting is a little weird. I'm trying a different setting to see if it looks any better because, you know, I haven't really played with the settings on this camera very much. I figured I'll try. So let's get straight into this video. And again, excuse any mismarkings. Again, my makeup only seems to go on good when I'm not filming. First, we have to prime our eyes. I'm using Maybelline's Cover Stick Concealer. You can use any eye primer of your choosing or concealer. Since the palette I am currently reviewing doesn't have a matte setting color for the concealer, I am using Coastal Scents Revealed 3 palette in the color white. You can use any white or skin color you choose. This just was the one I grabbed first. The palette I'm reviewing is Masquerade by Juvia. I hope I pronounced that right. I'm using the color Giza, dampening my brush before applying it to my eyelid from the center towards the tear duct. Firstly, I like to say, I like how the palette has a range of colors. It's nice to see. I also like the names of the colors. It's much better than Pooter from Jaclyn Hill's palette. What I don't like is how after dampening my brush, the color was still not going on the way I was expecting it to. But I end up needing to use my own fingers to apply the color to get a decent amount of pigmentation, which is a little bit upsetting. That changes from the shimmers to the mattes. So I noticed when I was adding mattes later, I didn't need to do that. It was just the shimmers I had to do that with. From the same palette, I am taking the matte brown color Burkina and applying it at the end of my eye in a V-shaped motion using a small brush. After getting the amount of color I want, I go back with a fluffier brush and start blending it out towards the crease and inward towards the center. I also add more pigmentation to it in order to deepen the shade. As I had mentioned, the mattes seem to go on pretty well with brushes even when they're not damp. It only seems to be the shimmers that I've been having difficulties with. On top of Burkina, I'm applying Fulani the same way, adding it in a sideways V fashion and blending it with a fluffier brush, adding more color later on when I start noticing it's going away. I'm going back to Burkina and smoking this out on my lower lid from my halfway point to the end. Taking Giza, I'm going to use my finger to place this into the inner corner of my eye and a little bit quarter towards the shadowing of Burkina. Taking Burkina, I am taking also an angled brush and lining my upper lid. This lighter brown gives it a more of a natural line instead of a harsh black line. For mascara, I'm using Ulta's Legendary Length Mascara. Unfortunately, it was running out, so later on after I'm putting on falsies, I will be adding another mascara. For falsies, I'm using Kiss, Blowout Lash, and Pixie. For extra mascara, since mine ran out, I use Marcel's Curling and Lengthening Mascara. For lips, I'm using Dirty Little Secret Crimson Matte Liquid Lipstick. Normally, you should line your lips before applying darker shades, but I honestly don't have a shade that matches this red, and I couldn't afford one at the time. I do have a bone to pick with this lipstick though. It does dry matte, but it does smear easily, and it does come off very easily on the lips. So if you touch your lips with, say, your fingernail to itch or to get something off of it, it takes off the color completely to reveal your lip underneath. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys found it easy to follow. Hopefully I didn't butcher any words like in that palette, because I know that some of them are foreign, and foreign countries have different ways of pronouncing their names compared to America. So I hope I didn't butcher it, guys. I'm sorry if I did. Especially the name of the palette. And I hope you have a good day. Like, comment, and subscribe. And again, check out Erin's X World, please.